everyone. Today we're excited to share a delicious and kidney-friendly shrimp dinner that's perfect for those managing chronic kidney disease. Visit our blog at renaldiethq.com/August 2024 for the full recipe collection. Let's get into the details. First, we have our shrimp burgers. These are made from fresh shrimp, packed with protein, low in fat. We season them with a blend of herbs and spices, ensuring they're flavorful without excessive salt. Shrimp is a great protein source for CKD patients because it's lower in potassium and phosphorus, and it's also easy to get at a store. And you can serve them on a crisp lettuce wrap for a healthy main course. That's exactly how we did the recipe. And then we have a side dish, our roasted zucchini and carrots. These are lightly seasoned and roasted to perfection in your oven. These veggies bring out their natural sweetness with this roasting process. They're low in potassium, full of essential vitamins and fiber, perfect for promoting healthy digestion. And then we have a cold noodle salad, which is a refreshing addition to any summer meal, made with rice noodles, crisp vegetables, and a tangy low-sodium dressing that you make yourself super easy. It's both kidney-friendly and delicious. Rice noodles are a great alternative as they're low in potassium and sodium, easy to find in the store, not a complicated product, making them suitable for a kidney diet. The crisp vegetables provide a satisfying crunch and are packed with vitamins and minerals while keeping potassium levels in check. The dressing is made with fresh lemon juice, olive oil, balsamic vinegar, and some herbs. Adds flavor without the need for excessive salt, so it has that zing. And to wrap up our meal, we have a refreshing honeydew sorbet. This naturally sweet and hydrating dessert is low in potassium, making it a safe and delightful treat for CKD patients. It's super easy to make in your blender and freezer for a quick, sweet dessert anytime. You can get this PDF download at our website at renaldiethq.com/August 2024. And with this shrimp meal, you can enjoy a nutritious and tasty dinner that supports kidney health. Each component of this thoughtfully chosen meal is to ensure that you meets the dietary needs of those with CKD and to help you have a healthier meal and just a variety. So visit our blog at renaldiethq.com/August 2024 for the full recipes and more kidney-friendly ideas. Bon appetit! And remember to share, like, and subscribe for delicious and healthy recipes tailored for kidney health. I will see you next time.